Hey, check it out. Before you watch this video, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post videos. And let me know what kind of videos you want to see down in the comment section below. What a beautiful day. Wow. So I guess I apologize for not putting a video in over a week, but I actually had a lot of medical issues lately. I guess not really medical issues, but I have had back issues. And essentially what happened was that I was helping my brother-in-law, and boom, let me make sure I don't put gas all over my bike. Yeah, so I was helping my brother-in-law to do some stuff, and I'll tell you what, when I started helping him, I knew I wasn't going to be able to do that without being in pain. You know, I do have back issues, but I decided to do it anyway because, you know, he's my brother-in-law, and I wanted to help him out. And essentially, you know, I got messed up, and it has been probably what, about a week since then. I haven't been able to do too much. Check this out. I wanted to show you something because I put highway packs and I was so excited. Look at this. I was so excited to put this highway packs, and I just wanted to get in the bike. I wanted to ride it, have a good time. But I want you to notice something. If you can see what I did. My mechanic skills are horrible. They actually run, and this thing is supposed to be in this side. So I put them the wrong way. Didn't even notice. I was outside with the wife, with little Manny, having a great time, just talking, and really didn't even notice. Again, not really an excuse or anything like that. It's just, again, didn't notice. And crazy thing was that I made it to work, and when I made it to work, I was so excited. I was just excited to show the guys that I work with, because we all ride bikes. And I was like, hey, check out this highway packs that I put. Really, really nice. And my friend Nick was like, dude, you put them the wrong way. And I was like, no way, dude. And I started looking a little bit more closer. And obviously, I did put them the wrong way. And I shouldn't tell because they feel like way too close to my leg or to my foot. I want you to see this real quick right there. You see how close it is? Obviously, it's wrong, but it was the first time that I took the bike, or I take the bike out in over a week, because like I say, I've been having severe back issues. And man, it's horrible because I love riding. I really do. And just seeing the bike in the garage and not being able to take it out is really, to me, it's just painful, right? And the thing about it is that the bike is not like so heavy that you can't maneuver the bike, right? Like right now I'm riding, I mean, the bike does not feel heavy, and this barge right here, it does make it feel better, or it makes the bike more maneuverable, easy to ride. If you have back issues, I'm going to tell you right now, getting bars should be in your first thing on list, or your first list, right? Because it's more comfortable, really more comfortable. I mean, you can see my stand right here, like really nice, straight, my body's straight, my arms are straight. I mean, again, if you're having back issues, this is the way to do it, right? The other thing is the highway pegs, which I'm really excited about when I put them the right way. Like, you see what I'm saying? I mean, you can pull your legs right there. There it is. And now I can stretch my legs. I could, you know, relax in a way. So one thing that I want to ask you guys is, this is the first time I put highway packs on a motorcycle. So give me some feedback. Where should be the best place to put it? Where exactly should I put it? What am I looking for? Do I want to have a little bend on my knee or whatever? You know, whatever you guys want to share, definitely share it down in the comment section below. Let me push back because this car or this truck wants to be next to me apparently. So yeah, guys, I got a lot of videos coming up. I'm starting to feel a lot better, and today is actually the first time that I actually feel a lot better. And you know, bless the good Lord. So if you are a prayer warrior, please put me in your prayers. You know, pray for healing and things like that. I would really, really appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. So again, you know, I'm starting to feel better. I got a ride planned next week. We're planning to do a little ride with the guys at work. It will be a lot of fun. It's going to be a blast, hopefully. So that's going to be coming up next week. And obviously, you're going to see me, you know, reinstalling these pegs and putting them the right way. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And as always, God is in control.